Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. I'm Shriyans and I'm back with another video on HTML. In this video, I will be talking about the anchor tag in HTML. Before talking about the anchor tag, let me discuss about the points we know about a website. So a website is a collection of web pages. It has data in the form of text, images and tables, and all these web pages are linked with each other. Now these all web pages are linked with each other with the help of hyperlinks. So yes, if you are thinking that we are today going to learn how to insert a hyperlink on a web page using HTML, then you are absolutely correct. So we are using the anchor tag to insert a hyperlink on a web page using HTML. So I have opened the codings in Notepad++. I have opened the output in the web browser. So let's start with the codings. Now the anchor tag is represented simply using A. We will write A. Now you must have known how to insert an image like using the image tag. So as in the image tag you use the source attribute and you have to use that to insert an image. So in anchor tag also you have to give the address of the website or web page that you want to link to. So for that you have to use the hyperlink reference attribute that is denoted by the word href. By writing href you have to give an equal to sign and just give a double quote, and within this you have to write the address of the web page that you want to link to. Now let keep it aside for a moment and just close the anchor tag. Now within this we have to write the text that we want to hyperlink. That means click here. The click here text will be hyperlinked, and the user, if clicked on the click here hyperlink text, then it will direct to the linked web page that you have inserted here between the double quotes. So yes, let's go with this click here text only. So now we want, like, we will go to Google and search mountains. Search mountains, go to Wikipedia. Now when we want that this Wikipedia page should be shown when we click the text click here. So I will just copy this whole hyperlink up here and paste it within this double quotes. Now this should work. I will save this document and reload this page, and you have seen that the click here text has been now hyperlinked. Now the reason I know that it is hyperlinked because it is blue in color and it is unlined. Now let's close this Wikipedia tab and let's test. Now as you can see, when I have clicked this click here option, it has directed me to this Wikipedia page. Let's go back. So it is working very fine. Now this is about a text, how to hyperlink a text. Now if you want to hyperlink an image, then the same thing you have to do, just you have to insert an image instead of a text. You will write image src equal to, within double quotes we have to write the image address. Now I have already selected an image, the same mountain. I will open the properties, copy the location from here and paste it and give a slash like this. Again open the properties window, select the name of an image and then see the means file extension .jfif. I will paste this name and just jfif. Let's see it is working or not. Save. Now you can see the image has been inserted. Now this image has been hyperlinked. Now you can see when we are hovering our mouse pointer upon the image, the mouse pointer is changing into the hand. So this is a proof that this image has been hyperlinked. Now let's test this. So as you can see, it is directing us to the Wikipedia mountain page. So this is very finely working. So guys, this is all about the anchor tag in HTML, how you can make a text or an image hyperlinked, and it is a very nice thing to do. So I hope you learned some new thing from this video. Please do like, subscribe and comment down below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and bye bye.